Hello friends, I am Amita Kar. Welcome to my Japanese language class. Today we will start a new lessons for those people who fear to kanji or for those people who love to kanji. दोनों के लिए है ये लेसन. आज से हम एक न्यू लेसन शुरू करते ओनली फॉर कांजी. वो लोग जो कांजी को डरते हैं, वो लोग जो कांजी को लव भी करते, प्यार करते, हाँ कांजी बहुत अच्छा है. फॉर देम who loves the kanji or for them who fears the kanji. Okay. When we start to learn kanji, we need to know what is kanji. Okay, how it develop. Actually, kanji it is a pictogram. Means simply language. If I say in very simple language, it is a picture. Now in world we have so many languages. Okay, अभी तो हमारे पास बहुत सारे लैंग्वेज है, लेकिन आप सोचो, you think that a day there was no language, so how the people communicate? They draw a picture and convey their message. Okay, like this. They simply draw a picture and convey their messages, and this picture simplified to kanji. Okay. Sorry. आज we are learning Japanese language. So Japanese kanji borrowed from the China. So in Japanese kanji we have two reading. Okay, some kanjis also we have only one reading, maybe kunyomi or onyomi. One is Japanese reading and another is Chinese reading. Okay. First we know what is kanji and how the Japanese kanji develop and what are the readings in a Japanese kanji. Okay. Let's start learn the kanji. Let's start to learn the kanji. Okay. If you are learning Japanese language for your career, for your educational purpose, for your promotion purpose, for your hobby, so please make sure to learn kanji regularly. Okay. From today onwards, every day we learn 3 kanji. Every day before going to bed, you must complete 3 kanjis of a day. Okay, this is a task for you. I will be with you every day and we will learn this. Okay. We will start from basic to advanced. Okay. Let's start today's lesson with 3 kanji. चलो हम आज का क्लास शुरू करते 3 kanji से. ओके. आज we learn that kanji it is a simple pictures. It is derived or simplified from the pictures. Okay. So today we will learn 3 kanji. First kanji is this. It is derived from sun. Okay. Another kanji we will learn, this is Chuki, moon. Moon. Okay. Next kanji we learn Ki. Its meaning is tree. It derived from trees. Okay. I am using digital pen, so I think that picture is not coming properly. Okay, let's see. So natural picture is like this, and kanji simply after simplification kanji we find like this. Okay, so let's start to learn kanji. First kanji we will learn he. This kanji we will learn first. Let's start. Meaning of the kanji imi. Imi meaning meaning. इमी का मतलब है मीनिंग. ओके, इसका मीनिंग है सन एंड डे. इसका मतलब दिस कांजी यूजिंग फॉर सन एंड ऑल्सो डे. द मीनिंग इज दिस कांजी यूजिंग फॉर सन एंड डे. इसका मतलब एक कांजी को हम सन के जगह यूज कर सकते हैं, डे में भी यूज कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. Reading, as I already told you that Japanese kanji derived from China. So in Japanese kanji we have two type of reading. One is kunyomi, another is onyomi. Okay, kunyomi is Japanese reading and onyomi is Chinese reading. And in kanji we need to learn another things, that is kakuso. Okay, first is, so let's know what are the readings of Japanese reading of this kanji or kunyomi of this kanji. He, be, ka. Okay, and in onyomi ni, nichi and nichi and jitsu. Okay, next, how to write the kanji. In every kanji there is a stroke order, we need to follow it, so we never forget the kakusu stroke. Ichi, ichi ni, ichi ni san, ichi ni san si. 4 strokes are there. So ichi ni san si. He मतलब sun. Okay, next is nihon. Okay, this hon kanji हम आगे जाकर पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है, नि होन. The ancient name of Nihon is Nippon. So we also learn this kanji as Nippon. जापान का ancient पहले का नाम था निप्पन. सो इस कांजी को हम निहोन भी पढ़ सकते हैं एंड निप्पन भी पढ़ सकते हैं. ठीक है, सो निहोन इसका मतलब है जापान. नेक्स्ट कांजी इज निचियोबी. निची यो kanji I am writing here, but it is little difficult kanji and हम आगे जाकर पढ़ेंगे. We will learn it later. Okay. नीचे यो बी. ओके। निचियोबी, इसका मतलब संडे। आज फर्स्ट kanji reading is nichi. First kanji reading is nichi and this last kanji reading is B. So nichi yo B, Sunday. Okay. So when you practice this kanji, please write 2-3 times. Ichi, ni, san, shi, nichi, hi, san. Ichi, ni, san, shi, nihon, no, ni. Ichi, ni, san, shi, nichiobi, no, nichi and bi. Ichi, ni, san, shi, hi, san. Ichi, ni, san, shi, nihon, no, ni, like that. Another reading we have ka. So how we write ka? Like this. Fourth day of a month, yokka. No? Fourth day of a month. ठीक है, yokka. So we also practice like that. Ichi, ni, san, shi, ka of yokka, mikka. Okay. You can also using for chuitachi or ichi, nichi. No? This is special reading. Okay. This way try to learn kanji. It is very simple way to learn a kanji, and really honestly I am saying it will help you also a lot. Okay. Kanji not only help you to learn a script, it also help you to develop your word vocabulary strength. Okay. Next we learn moon kanji. Before that, this kanji is sun. Do you know? This kanji derived from sun, and every day we have a sunrise. No? So that is the reason this kanji also using for day. Okay. Next, moon, chukki. The next kanji is moon, or in Japanese you can say chukki. Meaning is moon, and another meaning is month. Why this is using for month? Do you know? In a month we have one full moon and one new moon. ठीक है ना? So month is So moon is related to month. Due to moon we have also counted month. So this kanji using for month. Kunyomi and onyomi. Kunyomi is chukki and onyomi is getsu and gatsu. So chukki and getsu and gatsu. So let's write how to write ichi, ichi ni, ichi ni san, ichi ni san shi. So kakusu 4. Chukki, moon, ichi, gatsu, January. Like this you can write Nigachu, sangachu, shigachu. This is never ever say yongachu, it is shigachu. Yongachu is wrong, shigachu. Okay, shigachu. Like this you can write also junigachu. Okay, December. Okay. Next, gechu yobi, gechu yo Monday. Okay, now you learn this kanji as B, sun, and this is getsu. Okay, getsu be Monday. So this way you practice the kanji chuki, moon, ichi, ni, san, shi. Chuki, moon, ichigachu no gachu, ichi, ni, san, shi. Chuki, moon, ichigachu no gachu, nigachu no gachu, shigachu no gachu. So this way if you practice, then you will remember the kanji and also vocabulary. Okay. Next kanji we will learn, that is ki kanji, tree. Meaning is tree. Kunyo means ki and onyomi asemasen. Moku and boku. Okay. Writing ichi, ichi ni, san, ichi ni, san, shi. Okay. Kakusu 4. Ichi ni, san, shi, ki. Tree. Mokuyobi. Mokuyobi means Thursday. Okay. Thursday. Okay. Next is Kimura. Kimura, it is a Japanese name. Okay. Kimura, it is a Japanese name. Okay. So let's practice this kanji. Ichi, ni, san, shi, ki, tree. 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 Okay. Mokuyobi no moku, B already we learn Kimura no ki, like this. Okay. So, today we learn 3 kanjis. One is he or sun, second one is Chukki, moon or using for month, and third is ki, tree. Okay. So, please practice today these 3 kanji. Tomorrow again we will learn 3 more kanji. These kanjis are Yama, Kawa and Ta. Okay. We will start from beginner to advanced. Okay. My dear students, when you are learning this class, you must see there are 2 websites, and we have 2 websites and 2 channels. One is www.scilanguage.com. Here we provide regular classes. Yes, regular classes of JLPT or NAT. N5 to N1. Yes, we have Indian teachers and also native teachers with us. Everything live online classes. Live online classes. Yes, all are, but there is one, in a group we have 10 students, not less than that. When we have 10 students, then only we will start the regular classes. Yes, its price little high. Price is there, this is not free. You can contact with Sci Language. 19@gmail.com. Okay, scilanguage19@gmail.com. Here, if you contact, you can get the details of the regular classes. Yes, there are some students in these classes we provide regularly. It means 2 or 3 classes we have. You people get once in a week. In a week, we schedule 2 or 3 classes, and in a group minimum 10 students will be there. Then only we start a group. Second thing, that there are some students, they do not have time to attend the regular classes, maybe for the time or maybe for the price. No, nowadays it is not everyone to that pay the price. No, so for them we have another platform where one can learn a language very nicely with materials. Yes, in this regular classes, not only we arrange the classes, we also provide the suitable materials of the related course, related labels, so that it will helpful to the students to go through these materials and complete the course properly and get clear the JLPT exam very nicely, and in first chance only. Also you can able to clear it. Okay. If you cannot go through the scilanguage.com regular classes, because price is there and price relatively little bit costly will come. Second is, there is another way you can learn, that is momitaonline.com. Here you can get the classes. There are 3 modules, module 1, 2 and 3 modules. Suppose you do 100% self study. Pure self study, you only get materials. Study materials you are providing in every level. Study materials. Next, video classes and some JLPT sample questions paper. We also provide the solved videos of JLPT videos also. Question and answer you can get over here. Okay. Another is self study. With guidance. Here you got everything, this whole study materials of related levels. Second thing also video classes of grammar, kanji and JLPT solve questions that, and also JLPT question papers also you will get over here. Along with that, you also have some classes we arrange minimum 30 to 40 students in a batch for the guidance. It means you can you have a trainer over here who can guide you how to study. Second is interactive class. Here you have everything, study materials, video lessons, JLPT videos and also question papers. Along with that, you have twice or thrice classes in a month. So, you can ask your questions, ask your queries, ask your doubts and clear your doubts. Okay. So, you have signlanguage.com and also momitaonline.com with you. As per your requirement and as per your ability to payment, you can also join. Yes, in self study the fees is very less, below I think that 1000 rupees, and in self study with guidance it is also very less price, below 2000 something like that. If you will go to momitaonline.com you can get details. Okay. Please visit momitaonline.com and follow the guidance over there, and interactive classes also like that. Okay. For this, for those peoples who cannot join the classes due to the time and also money, because nowadays also money also matter to payment, but you want to learn thoroughly, please visit momitaonline.com and go through there and contact with us so that we can provide you as per your requirement. Okay. Let's meet tomorrow for next 3 kanji classes. Okay. Today's class is this much. Thank you.